Okay, so I've just received the clippers from the Pissed Off Barber. That's them on Instagram. So follow them on Instagram. Got Anti-Social Barbers Club sticker. Invoice. Here we have the Slime 2s and the Ghost X's. The Slime edition. So I'm going to open them up and have a look what they're like. If I can get into them. Oh, as you can see, a little bit of slime on the edge of the box. Okay, now they're bright. Yep, they are well and truly fluorescent green, like they said. So that is there. Nice head on it. I'm assuming that does come off. Yep, so that comes off there. And a little bit comes out of there. For starting them. Somehow. Alright, we can't get the piece of plastic out of there, but I will in a minute. Right, I'll get that piece of plastic out in a bit and actually look at the clipper properly when I set them all up. But yeah, that's the Ghost X. Looking quite nice. Then go beyond the box and we've got the charging dock for them. And we've got 3 clipper guards, fading, and we've got the charging cable there as well. And obviously you've got the oil and the little cleaning brush in the other section as well. So that's the first one. Like I say, I'll do another video once they're all set up to have a proper look at them, see what they're like. So Slime 2 edition, which again can't get into. Hang on. There we go. Use a scissor adjuster to get into it. So, next one. I say this is a Slime 2, the Diamond Carbon edition. Got a nice bit of slime appearing on the side of the box. I like the presentation of these boxes, they're actually quite sturdy, well presented. So, here's the clipper. A bright, nice clear front to it. Nice head on there. Oh, it's got a clicking one as well. Oh, brilliant. Oh, so that's got the different areas that you can set from there. Very smooth, very quiet clipper. Very quiet clipper, that. Now it goes back into there. And underneath, obviously, we've got charging dock as well. Cable. And we've got probably 1 to 4 blades. Yep, 1 to 4 guards in there, and the oil and the brush as well. So what I'll do, I shall get them set up. I shall have a few goes on it, and then I shall come back on another video and review the clippers and say what they're like. So cheers for watching this one. I know it's a bit of a basic video, but I just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing just to show what these clippers are about. So cheers for watching.